Hello there, and welcome to Royale Palms Vista, one of the premier condominium complexes in all of Lake of the Ozarks. Situated on the 35-mile marker and right across from Captain Ron's and a 2-minute drive from Hurricane Deck Bridge, you truly cannot beat this location. This is Corey Franks with the RE/MAX Jason Whittle All-Pro team. Let's go check it out. This condo sports 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, sits at nearly 1,600 square feet, is a walk-in level, has 9-foot ceilings, and has this massive lakeside screened-in and covered porch. Thanks for tagging along with us on the tour of this amazing Royale Palms condo. If you'd like more information or to schedule a private showing, you can contact us at 800-836-2005 or visit our website at jasonwhittle.com and we'll take care of you. Thanks and have a great day.